Rody
and Noodles.
Woo! We decided that we're going to do a vlog. We never done one of these before, so it could be very, very bad.
Yeah. No idea what we're talking about here.
Oh, Katie's put that Jake's has got pink hair and a beard. Wow. Our friend has pink hair and a beard.
Yeah, he's gay.
He's awesome.
Awesome.
Fair dues.
Oh, is he coming to Raving?
Jake's? I have no idea. Oh no, I think he's going to Alton Towers with Katie.
Oh yeah, damn.
They're going to Alton Towers.
Yeah.
Lucky people. Wow. What to talk about?
What should we do tomorrow?
We're going to Rebellion tomorrow.
Well, not till like...
Okay, well, we're going to sleep till about 11 o'clock.
Yes.
And then everyone else is coming over at 12 o'clock.
And it gives an hour, yeah.
Yeah, that gives us an hour to get ourselves slightly presentable and up before they come over.
Okay.
With our outfits.
That's sexy, yeah.
Yes.
Do you know what time Zoe's coming round?
I don't know if Zoe is coming round.
Hmm.
We should better, I just got my outfit.
Yeah.
We're going to a Halloween party thing, kind of. Brad, it's called. I'm going as Little Red Riding Hood, but like werewolf style.
And I'm going as a vampire whore type thing. Should be fun.
Because we're cool. Yeah.
Oh dear.
Yeah, but I haven't got my outfit because my friend has my outfit, so I have to wait for her to bring me the outfit. If not, it looks like I'm wearing my Snow White stuff again.
I've been waiting a while for Zoe.
Yeah,
She don't get up till like what, 1 o'clock?
Oh, I have no idea. Fair dues. We've been listening to music because we're cool.
And my imaginary brother inside the sheep and the elephant inside the land growing boat in my microwave in my kitchen says hi.
Is he going to rap?
No, he said he can't make it tomorrow.
Oh.
He's got to tidy up the place.
Has he made a mess in your microwave?
Yeah.
That's not very good.
He's been eating the brownies.
Again?
Yeah. But he didn't have no milk, so he kind of shouted.
Oh dear. That's not very good.
And then he shouted at Lauren, my sister by the way, and he told her that she was owned by the milkman.
Oh dear. What, because he didn't have any milk?
Yeah.
Mm.
So she should have had the milk.
Mm.
He weren't very happy.
No. We're on MSN. Do you want to see who we're talking to? I shall show you. We're talking to Aidan. And we're talking to Jazz. And we're talking to Joe. And we're talking to Mark. And that's it, because we're cool.
Our weird but wonderful friends.
But none of them are actually speaking at the moment. Speak your own vlog. I'll put Jazz onto webcam so you can see her face and see what she looks like.
She's a total nut.
She is, that is. O2. Zoom.
Zoom.
Because she's not accepting. Oh dear. Yeah, send her a nudge. Nudge. Ooh. Oh, I love sending nudges. Fair dues. Is there a way of pausing this thing? Nutty.
I don't know.
Do you know a way of pausing? This should be a task. We're now trying to find the pause button.
Is it the play button?
No.
Oh. Normally is the play button. We're useless.
Don't think there's a pause button. silly camera.
Oh dear.
Oh no. Still not accepting.
Hi.
Hi.
I was going to bring my different tongue bars today.
She's got a tongue pierce, look.
Mm.
We're so cool. I'll put that back on there.
Might help.
Yes.
I don't think he's talking anymore.
No. Well, he will in a minute if we... Should we put this on? Should we dance? We're gonna rave, because we're awesome.
No, we need to shake it on.
No, we're raving to this.
Oh.
You don't want to break your heart, right? Bring it up.
But, whoa. Now listen to me, baby. People love me, yeah. They call me heartbreaker. I don't wanna defeat them. If you fall for me, that easy to please. I'm gonna tell you apart. From the start, right from the start, I'm only gonna break your heart. 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 Whoa, whoa. There's no point trying to hide it. There's no point trying to notice it. Na 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 na. From the start, I'm only gonna break your heart. 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 Whoa, whoa, whoa. Break your heart. I'm only gonna 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 break your heart.
Oh, people are talking.
Oh my god! Jazz is going on webcam.
You get to
Do
see
you want
Jazz.
to see Jazz?
No way.
Oh. She's okay,
just gone.
she's there, but now she's gone.